In this tutorial, we will be learning about various iPhone application templates. Let's start the Xcode. In Xcode, we will create a new Xcode project. And here we have chosen iOS, and from there we have chosen application. Now here you will find various templates to create iPhone applications. These templates are some preloaded code that helps us to create our application in a more intuitive and easy way. So the selected one is navigation based application. This template provides a starting point for an application that uses a navigation control. It provides a user interface configured with a navigation controller to display a list of items, just as your settings application or your email application. Next is OpenGL ES application. This is something that we will not cover, and it is used to develop some open graphics library which used to create games in iPhone. Next is split view based application. This template provides a starting point for an application that uses split view controller. It provides a user interface configured with a split view controller and two view controllers to manage a master and detail style display. Next up is tab bar application template. It provides a user interface configured with a tab controller and a view controller for the first tab bar item. Next is utility application. It provides the templation for a utility kind of application that you see in your iPhone. Next is view based application. This template provides a starting point for an application that uses a single view, and this is the template that we are going to use most of the time. Next is window based application. These templates provide a starting point for any application. It provides just an application delegate and a window, and this is also something that we will not touch over this course. So this was the introductory tutorial for the templates of iPhone application projects. Thank you.